Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Today we are going to explore a cool feature on Facebook Messenger, dissipating messages. If you are curious about how to enable this privacy feature, you are in the right place. So let's dive in. Before we start, let's quickly talk about what dissipating messages are and why you might want to use them. These are messages that automatically vanish after a set period, adding an extra layer of privacy to your conversation. First thing first, open the Facebook Messenger app on your device. Now, you have to create a chat by simply tapping on the pen icon on the top right corner of the screen. And turn on the secret chat option by tapping on the lock icon on the top right corner of the screen. Now, send a message, and once you send the message, you can click on the little I button in the top right corner of the screen. After that, scroll down a little and you can see the dissipating message option in the privacy and support section. Tap on it, then tap on continue. You will see the duration option. Tap on 24 hours. And there you have it. You have successfully enabled dissipating message on Facebook Messenger. It's a neat feature to have, especially when you want to keep certain conversation more private. This is it for the video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.